The impact on people is a key question nearly every time robotic process automation comes up in conversation. We'll address that issue head on when RPA, powering the government's digital transformation, continues. Now an industry spotlight with Paresh Patel, Director of the AI and Intelligent Automation Practice at Accenture. Paresh, thanks very much for joining me. What are agencies actually doing with robotic process automation today?
Well, the possibilities are endless, and what makes it so exciting is it's right here, right now. It's being done today.
That's the thing about this technology that I think is attractive to agencies. This is not theoretical, this is not conceptual. There are people in government doing stuff now with this technology, right?
Absolutely. Let me give you some examples. We're working with an agency where their recruiting and hiring process was rather cumbersome. They had a large backlog of applications. And we're using RPA to read those applications, process that data, and get it into their core systems. This not only speeds up the process, but it also improves the overall experience for the candidate as well as the recruiter.
Are there myths or misperceptions as you're going into agencies and talking to them about the possibilities of RPA?
One of the biggest misconceptions is this is purely a technology implementation. Technology is part of it, but the large portion of this is a workforce application, right? So what we talk about is thinking about the impacts of the workforce up front. For example, as these bots are put into production, somebody's got to maintain them. How are you upskilling your resources to do that type of work? As work is freed up, those freed resources, what higher value activities are they going to focus on? How are they being transitioned to those type of categories? So that's the type of planning that we like to do up front.
Final quick thought, those resources that you're talking about are people. They're man and woman hours that are now free to do much more constructive, much more intricate work than the data entry types of things that RPA is helping to move out, right?
Absolutely. They're resources that are being freed up. It's the overall experience throughout that process. It's much more efficient, it's much more accurate, and overall it is very engaging to the workforce.
Paresh Patel, thanks very much.
Thank you.